Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 1 and Ind AS 7. A review of Ind AS financial statements takes 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find the videos on GAAP Advisors channel useful, kindly reflect on the value created and contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A listed company is published financial statements as reported different amounts of finance costs in profit or loss section of the statement of profit and loss and as adjustment to profit before tax to arrive at cash flows from operating activities under indirect method. In our view, this is not in accordance with Ind AS 1 and Ind AS 7 and impacts all components of financial statements and not just statement of cash flows. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Para 20 of Ind AS 7 states that the net cash flow from operating activities is determined under indirect method by adjusting profit or loss for the effects of items for which the cash flow effects are investing or financing cash flows. Para 31 of Ind AS 7 requires interest paid to be classified as financing cash flows. The company has adjusted profit before tax for finance costs in statement of cash flows more than that reported in statement of profit and loss. This means that either the company has not recognized finance costs properly in statement of profit and loss or in statement of cash flows. A corresponding effect of such incorrect recognition of finance costs in profit or loss will be on balance sheet, statement of changes in equity and notes. Therefore, all components of financial statements are impacted due to this error. Para 15 of Ind AS 1 requires financial statements to present true and fair view of which the company has not presented. Accordingly, the company has not presented financial statements in accordance with Ind AS 1 and Ind AS 7. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.